Hello friends, welcome to Nandoos Cookbook. Today's recipe is Kerala style potato stew. The best combination for Idiyappam and also goes well with chapatis. So let's start the preparation. Heat pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil heats, add minced ginger, 2 green chilli slits, sliced onion and saute it. Once the onion turns transparent, add finely chopped potatoes, add curry leaves 1 sprig. Now add diluted coconut milk and add little amount of water. Add salt as per taste. I have added half teaspoon of salt and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes in medium flame. After 20 minutes, add thick coconut milk and cook it for about 30 seconds. Do not cook it for long time. It may lead to curdling of stew. Cook it for 30 seconds and turn off the flame. If you wish to add spiciness to the stew, you can add cinnamon sticks and cloves. The potato stew is almost ready. So try out this recipe friends. The stew tastes fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandoos Cookbook for more videos. See you in next video. Until then, happy cooking.